In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a MyFXBook account. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you usually use. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar at the top of the page. Type in MyFXBook and press Enter. This is the first step to accessing your account. Now, take a look at the search results. You want to ensure you're clicking on the correct link. Look for the official MyFXBook website. It should be one of the first results you see. Clicking on the right link is crucial. It helps you avoid any phishing websites that might target your login information. Once you've opened the correct MyFXBook website, you'll need to sign into your account. Look for the Sign In option, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your username and password. This step is important because it verifies your identity and gives you access to your account settings. With your account now open, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the page. Here you'll find your username or avatar. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This is where you can manage your account details and preferences. Next, navigate to the Profile tab within the User Settings panel. This tab holds all your personal information and account preferences. It's designed to give you control over how your account is managed and displayed. Scroll down to the bottom of the profile page. Here, you'll find the option to close your MyFXBook profile. This option is usually highlighted or placed separately to ensure it's noticeable. Remember, this is the gateway to deleting your account permanently. Follow the security prompts provided. These are designed to confirm that you genuinely want to delete your account. You'll be asked to enter your master account password. This step is vital as it acts as a final security measure preventing accidental deletions. Finally, confirm the permanent deletion of your account. Once you've completed this step, your MyFXBook account will be deleted. Keep in mind that permanent deletion means you will lose access to all your data, so be sure this is what you want. Now let's talk about why this process is structured as it is. Each step is designed with your security in mind. For example, entering your password ensures that only you can delete your account. This prevents unauthorized access and potential data loss. Remember, taking the time to confirm your actions can save you a lot of trouble later. It's always better to double-check and be sure of your decisions before proceeding. Deleting an account is a significant step, and MyFXBook has these steps in place to make sure you are fully aware of the consequences. With your MyFXBook account deleted, you'll have more control over your digital footprint. Knowing how to manage your online presence is essential in today's digital age. It helps protect your personal information and ensures that you remain in control of your data. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete a MyFXBook account. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.